all aboard, ready for takeoff. If you look to your right, you can see JOBY Aviation shares rising sharply after Toyota announced an additional investment of $500 million into the electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft maker. This new investment follows Toyota's previous commitment of $394 million and is aimed at advancing the certification and production of JOBY's electric air taxis. The money will be split into two tranches, with one closing later in 2024 and the other in 2025. Toyota has been a strategic partner of JOBY for almost 7 years, providing engineering support and expertise in manufacturing processes. Now, if you turn to the other side, Palantir Technologies and Edge Scale AI have partnered to launch Live Edge, a platform combining Palantir's Edge AI with Edge Scale AI's infrastructure technology. The aim is to make practical applications of artificial intelligence accessible within industries such as manufacturing and utilities. By automating the creation of cloud environments that streamline data flow between devices and AI systems, Edge Scale seeks to simplify AI deployment and enhance efficiency in connected devices. Palantir's expansion into Edge AI through this collaboration hopes to provide clients access to operational datasets and accelerate AI implementation across various sectors. Then be advised, Waste Management is currently delayed as it is engaged in a proposed merger with Stericycle, which is facing regulatory scrutiny from Canada's Competition Bureau in the form of a Supplemental Information Request, SIR. This extends the waiting period under the Canadian Competition Act until 30 days after the companies have responded or until terminated sooner by the Bureau. Despite this hurdle, Waste Management remains confident in its ability to address the SIR and complete the merger as early as the fourth quarter of 2024, subject to various customary closing conditions. In the meantime, Waste Management continues to maintain financial stability and growth. With a market capitalization of $83.16 billion and steady revenue growth of 4.77% over the last 12 months, the company maintains its position in the industry. Additionally, Waste Management has consistently paid dividends for 27 consecutive years and is recognized as a prominent player in the commercial services and supplies sector. Waste Management's third quarter results will be released after the close of the market on Monday, October 28th, and will host its investor conference call Tuesday, October 29th at 10 a.m. ET. Thanks for flying with Ascencore. Please stay tuned for more on these and other companies. See you again very soon.